Hello everyone and welcome back to the Common Sense Crypto channel. As with you always, this is Rich doing another video today on Casper. So I hope you're all having a wonderful day today wherever you are in this great world. We're going to talk about Casper, and once again, this is the one-day chart. We're still sitting here just around 3 cents. You know, Casper is one of the most overlooked, undervalued cryptocurrencies out there today. And it's an ISO-compatible cryptocurrency. It's going to be part of the new financial system. People need to wake up to how big Casper's actually going to become before it's too late. We're delighted to announce our partnership with Casper Network. The integration between Ramp and Casper will enable users to access the network while setting the stage for more ecosystem integration with other builders on Casper. But it goes beyond that. With Ramp's seamless integration, users can purchase crypto on Casper's platform directly using bank transfers or other fiat payment methods without needing any third-party exchanges. The integration allows new users, even those unfamiliar with the cryptocurrency ecosystem, to easily access and engage with the Casper platform. You know, that's what you want. You want to make it easy for people to buy crypto. Because right now, the traditional banking system is falling apart. And people are pulling their money out of the bank and they're looking for somewhere else to put it. A lot of people are choosing crypto because they realize they can make a lot of money by investing in crypto in the near future. How do you lower development costs? By building on Casper. Casper supports widely used languages such as WebAssembly and Rust. Say hello to familiar frameworks. Code in Rust equals lower development cost. And you know, when people come and build, they want it to be easy. They don't want to have to learn something new. And Casper makes it easy. That's why I always said, I see a lot of builders coming on board this network in the future. Developers and financial systems are working together to explore the potential of tokenization. Tokenization of commodities and assets can usher in a new era of finance, where legacy systems can be infused with blockchain and the metaverse economy. The metaverse will establish a new interoperable economic system where users can access DeFi services. As companies embrace tokenization of their existing products, a new ecosystem economic landscape will emerge, offering greater efficiency and profitability. Enterprises and developers entering into the world of blockchain will need a deeper understanding of digital assets, blockchains, and smart contract technology. Casper provides you the ease of upgradable smart contracts, making the process seamless and simplified. Again, this shows Casper getting involved with Metaverse, plus tokenization. You know, one thing that all of these ISO cryptocurrencies, they have a couple things in common, actually. Number one, they're all sitting at rock bottom prices right now. They're also looking at all the money. They're looking to get into tokenization because that's going to be a multi-trillion-dollar market in the future. Then they're looking to get involved with transactions as well. But beyond that, then there's carbon credits, which is also going to be a very big market in the future. They're going after all the money is what I'm saying. And Casper is no different. Now, this comes from the X Frontier, and I like the idea of this, and this makes a lot of sense. So Casper Labs CEO has stated time and time again that they are on a mission to build the Red Hat of blockchain. Red Hat is the world's leading provider of enterprise open source solutions, encompassing more than 90% of Fortune 500 companies. In 2019, Red Hat was acquired by IBM in the biggest software acquisitions in history for $34 billion. Wouldn't surprise me if IBM did the same with Casper, and here's why. June 2021, Casper Labs joins IBM Global Program, providing IBM partners access to the Casper network. May 2022, Casper and IBM demo interoperable bridge making. Casper, IBM's first bridge, to a public chain. September 2022, Casper Labs joins Hyperledger Foundation, not just a member, but as a tech partner. November 2022, CTO states they are working on multiple hybrid network implementations with Hyperledger. Hyperledger Fabric is the largest private DLT used by the world's top 100 companies. It was created by the Linux Foundation in 2015. IBM is a founding member of this. Remember that the CEO of IPWE stated they chose Casper over Hyperledger Fabric and other layer 1s to build their solutions. Seems Hyperledger sees the benefit of using Casper for more implementations. January 2023, Shyam of IBM approves endorses Casper as a partner at Davos 2023. IBM bought Red Hat as a strategic acquisition in the enterprise software solutions space. Casper Labs is focused on providing core open source solutions to enterprise as well. It seems IBM has taken notice of Casper's potential, plus their relationship seems to be going well. Not saying this will happen, but if Casper Labs delivers on their mission, it wouldn't surprise me if it did. You know, that IBM Casper partnership is massive because it shows you, I know IBM is going to be a major player inside that new financial system. They're also going to bring Casper into that system as well. And I think it's going to become something much bigger than we think, because the network is always growing and expanding around Casper, and it's also growing and expanding around IBM as well. And I think IBM likes the technology behind Casper. That's why that partnership is even happened in the first place. You know, a company like IBM, they could become a partner with anyone, but they chose Casper for a reason. Then there's this, and I look at this as FUD. Ethereum developer sues Casper Labs. Now, this goes back a couple years, but right away, people are once again bringing it up all over X. They either got to just hate Casper or they're trying to fudge you out of your investment, try to make you second guess your investment. So, Zamfir, who filed the lawsuit against Casper Labs in California last week, began working with the company in February 2019, joining as lead architect. However, Zamfir quit Casper Labs in October 2019, claiming the company didn't meet promises to fund his Casper blockchain research and was misleading investors. Here's what I see. I see a disgruntled employee that didn't get what he wanted, so he left the company and decided to sue them. But all of a sudden, this is being talked about once again all over X. Stay strong, ignore the FUD. Casper will make you rich. All you have to do is stay patient. Understanding the mechanics of upgradable smart contracts on the Casper network. Now, this comes from House of Chimera. So you see, easier maintenance, upgradable contracts allow developers to amend live contracts without the need for redeployment, streamlining the maintenance process and saving resources. Dynamic adaptability. Upgradable contracts can be modified to accommodate changes in business requirements or regulatory compliance, offering businesses more flexibility and adaptability. Improve user experience. Predictable network fees and improved contract reliability enhance the overall user experience, encouraging more adoption of the blockchain platform. Future-proofing applications. Upgradable smart contracts enable applications to evolve and adapt to future needs or advancements in technology, ensuring they remain relevant and competitive. This is why enterprise is going to choose Casper time and time again. Cost efficiency. By permitting direct upgrades, the need for complex migrations or redeployments is eliminated, resulting in substantial cost savings for businesses and developers. And again, developers also love this network because they know the cost, they know it's cheaper than building somewhere else, plus it's very easy to build on Casper as well. timely error corrections. Developers can promptly fix bugs or vulnerabilities in smart contracts, improving the security and reliability of the application built on the blockchain. And that's why upgradable smart contracts are a game changer for Casper Network. We are breaking new ground with the speculative execution endpoint feature, but take it from the CTO of Casper.
Developers should be really excited about the speculative execution endpoint. For 25 years working in the enterprise, I was never allowed to debug in production. But speculative execution allows you to actually test your contracts on mainnet, live, right? So if you're doing any kind of on-chain composability, you could actually test those contracts before you commit them to the blockchain. And I think that's a really important feature for enterprises and developers alike.
They're always improving around Casper as well. You know, it's like one of those networks that don't stop. A lot of buildings going on in the background. You might not be getting the daily big announcements around this cryptocurrency, but a lot of growth is still happening. And at some point, all that growth is going to reflect in the price of this cryptocurrency. Everyone loves price predictions. Casper absolutely will 30x from these levels by 2025. Conservatively, 100x is only just above $3. Very reasonable and not unrealistic whatsoever. Just imagine buying this cryptocurrency at 3 cents and it just surpasses $1. I still think it's going to hit closer to $3 in the next run up. And I think it's just a matter of time until Casper surpasses $10 plus. Because this cryptocurrency is not it's not a cryptocurrency that should be overlooked the way it's being overlooked. Enterprise is coming. And when they come on board, I'm talking mass enterprise adoption happening. A lot of them will choose Casper in the future. Computation is done in a WebAssembly, WASM interpreter, allowing any programming language which complies to WASM to become a smart contract language for the Casper blockchain. There are now 40 high-level programming languages that support WebAssembly, including C and C++, Python, Go, Rust, Java, and PHP. Companies that use WASM today: Amazon, Tesla, Spotify, Google, Microsoft, Adobe, Visa, Netflix, Samsung. Enterprises are not ready to directly adopt public blockchains because of concerns around privacy and regulatory requirements. Casper's core protocol is a permissionless public framework, allowing users to choose between public, private, and hybrid setups, specifically built for private and hybrid deployments. Attach photos of hybrid blockchain use cases. So you see, first you have supply chain management, which again, the supply chain is still kind of a mess. Blockchain's going to fix that. But then there's also smart cities that are building on Casper as well. And as they build out and they grow in the future, you're going to see the price of Casper rise once again. That's why I said it's still building in the background, but building takes time. So when your cryptocurrency is going sideways for long periods of time, I know it gets frustrating, but you got to continue holding it, because at some point we're going to see it blast off like never before. So you want to be a crypto millionaire. Invest in the blockchain networks that will form the foundation of the new financial system. And that's all it takes at this point. It's so simple to make $1 million in crypto. All you do is you take whatever you could afford to lose week over week and you keep buying up a little bit of crypto. Every little bit is just one step closer to financial freedom. But you got to invest in the right cryptocurrencies. And Casper at 3 cents, it's a must-have cryptocurrency in your portfolio, in my opinion. Like I said, the future looks very good around Casper. You got to buy it when no one else is looking at it. This way you get it at the cheapest possible price. And I think that's where we are right now. But with that said, I'm going to wrap up this video. I want to thank you all for watching. I appreciate all of you. I'll see you in the next one. Have a great night.